So simplifying the radical is no different than finding the square root of the cube root, except now we're dealing with irrational numbers. So we can't actually find the square root of 80 without using a decimal. But that's not what we want to do. We actually want to find the square root of 80 simplified as much as possible. So to do that, we need to take 80 and break it down. So we'll do that just like we always have. Divide by 2, we get 40. Divide 2, we get 20. Divide 2 again, get 10. 2 again, get 5. Divide by 5 to get 1. So now we're going to rewrite this a little bit differently. We have the square root of 80, but the square root of 80 is actually the square root of 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So we're just replacing the 80 with its prime factorization. Now, when we were finding square roots of perfect squares, we needed pairs of numbers. We still need pairs of numbers now. So we still need a pair of 2's and a pair of 2's. They can get taken out of the square root. Each pair only gets written down once. But now we have this 5 left over. We have one bit of simplifying we can do. That's the 2 times 2. Give us 4. Final answer is 4 root 5. Now this may look like it's not simplified at all. We still have a root in it, but it is. We had 80, and we've taken out the perfect squares that we can to get 4 root 5. B is the cube root of 144. The process doesn't change. We still need to break down 144. Divided by 2 gives 72. Divide by 2 gives 36. Divide by 2 gives 18. Divide by 2 gives 9. Divide by 3 gives 3. And divide by 3 gives 1. So the cube root of 144 we can write as the breakdown like so. What changes with a cube root is that we're no longer looking for groups of 2, we're looking for groups of 3. That's what the index tells us. So I have a group of 3 2's that can get pulled out, but that's all that can get pulled out. We don't have 3 more 2's, we don't have 3 3's, that's all we can pull out. So the 2 comes out, we still have 1 2 and 2 3's under the root, and it's customary to simplify that last bit under the root. So final answer would be 2 cube root 18. Question C, 4th root of 162. Again, the process won't change. We still need to take 162 and break it down. Divide by 2 to get 81. That's not divisible by 2, so divide by 3, get 27. Divide by 3, get 9. Divide 3, get 3. And divide 3, get 1. Write this out as the broken down factorization. This time, we need a group of 4. We've got 4 3's that we can take out. So the 3's come out, get written once. Only a single 2 left under the root. And we're good to go.